Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh and I wish you a very nice weekend. And today in this video, we'll be covering three things. The first is the crypto market screener, the heat map that you're seeing on the screen. The second is the coin screeners, where we discover the crypto gems using our data analytics. And finally, the AI-based recommendations or the AI-based price forecast that we make. We'll be covering Avalanche's AVAX token today, and stay tuned for the part 2 and 3 as well. First, let's begin with the part 1, which is the crypto heat map. And today, right now, Bitcoin is coming in at $37,041. Over the last month, Bitcoin has grew by about 38%. Ethereum is coming in at 2000 and 60 $2,063, and the growth over month is 31%, over 31%. XRP at 36%. Solana has been a rock star over the last month. It grew to about 161%. It's currently traded well above $55. I think it hit about $60, coming in from all the way from $20 in the past month. So again, one of the good rallies per this current bull run. Cardano is coming in at 55%, Doge at 37%. Another noteworthy rally by Chainlink's Link token at about 122%, currently trading at around $16.50. So that's the general monthly performance. I'll like to check the weekly performance just to see how things have been doing over the past week. Again, Bitcoin grew by 6%, Ethereum 12%, BNB 9%, XRP 9%, Solana again being a rock star, 45%, Cardano 17%, Doge 17%, and Link, let's see, over the week is 43%. I know the chart is heat map is heavily relies on the rallies by the market cap. So another way to look at it is by the percent rally. We'll cover that in our next video. So stay tuned for that. That kind of analysis. For the crypto that we are going to discuss is Avalanche's AVAX token, and the performance for this week has been solid. It grew by about 36%. It's currently trading at $16.55, a healthy market cap of almost under $6 billion. So that's caught our attention, that attention of our crypto screener. Let's move to the second part, which is the crypto screener, that the coin screener that we create on TradingView, ranking the top 100 coins by market cap, checking the healthy volume if they have more than 10% of their market cap being traded, and also change month over month change in excess of 20%. You can see that Solana is again topping this list by the market cap, then followed by Chainlink. We have covered Solana and Chainlink weekly forecast on the channel. So if you are interested in knowing the AI-based forecast for these cryptos till mid-January, you can check those videos out. You can also check them in the description of this video. And the third video, the third coin on this list is Avalanche. As I mentioned, this is something that we'll be covering our part 3 at around $16.61, and then volume traded is well over 10% of its market cap. And the list also features some of the notable names such as Filecoin, Thorchain we covered 3 days ago, Optimism, which we will cover shortly. We have covered Injective also on this channel, and Aave, Arbitrum. This is one of the strange ones, the FTX FTT token, which the exchange was shut down in last year. I don't know why it's rallying. So good to keep a note on that one, and be aware of the past of this particular crypto. Neo is also one of the coins on our screener. Then Sandbox, Decentraland, Phantom. If you would like to check the list, you can pause the video and give a deeper dive to the list. Then Phantom, another DeFi related layer 1 project, Kava, Flow, Gala, Chiliz, Sui, DYDX, CurveDAO, PancakeSwap, another questionable project over here, Luna C, Terra Luna Classic, and then Blur and Compound. So this is the top 20, 25 to 27. This list gets updated every single minute. So these are the ones screened by our data analytics platform. The third part of the video is the AI-based forecast, the AI model that we run for the screened cryptos, and we like to present the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for all the assets that we cover. Today we'll be discussing about AVAX. This is the weekly average price forecasted by our AI model created using ARIMA and LSTM. We'll be covering the findings of the model in very understandable way. So this, first of all, this chart is color coded from dark blue to dark orange using historical z-score as a metric, and the neutral territory for this token is color coded in white. So when the token is in its darkest of the blue color, you can say that the price, historically speaking, should be considered as a undervaluation zone, whereas when it's in darkest of the orange color, like it was in November 28th of 2021 at price of around $118. Right now it's at $16. So for context, it is still almost 6 to 7x away from its all-time high. And at its peak, the z-score that we use for our color codes was almost 3 standard deviations away from mean. Right now, this particular crypto, at least for the last week, the data that we had at a weekly average price was at $12, which was 0.73 standard deviation to the downside. And you can see that this is color coded in the darkest of the blue. That is the most undervaluation phase that this AVAX token has been yet. Is in this range. So the price action till above 15 under $15 to $16 is considered by this data analytics model as undervaluation zone. So if you have been accumulating AVAX in this range, this certainly was a good accumulation zone. And again, not financial advice. This is use of statistics to forecast, to determine, not forecast, to determine what are accumulation zones and what are overheated or overvaluation zones per historical price as an input. So so congratulations to those who have been doing dollar cost averaging or any strategy related to AVAX accumulation over the past 3 to 4 months, ever since May of 2023. This has been in the accumulation zone. It has the AVAX token did visit this undervaluation zone starting November to November 2022 till January 2023. So but still it went and created new lows in September of 2023 as low as $9, as opposed to the last lows were around $11. You can see that also happened during the brief downturn in 2021 during the summer of 2022. So we have fed all of this data to our AI model, and the following are the AI-based price predictions. And these price predictions are not financial advice. This is just use of historical data, AI and data science models, and statistics for forecasts. So for this week, which will be ending in tomorrow, that is November 12th, the weekly average price forecasted by our model is at $14.50. You see that currently AVAX is trading at $16.60. But again, do keep in mind that these are weekly forecasts. So even though if AVAX closes at around $16-17, its weekly average is most likely per our AI model is around less than $15. But for the next week per our AI model, the range is at $15.75. last week of November at $16. Then the subsequent weekly average in first week of December at $17, in second week at $18.50, in the third week of December at almost $20, in the fourth week at $22, in the last week of December at $21.4, in the first week of January at $21, and in the second week, that is the 10th week from now, is 22.25 dollars. So the next 10 weeks that we like to forecast using our AI model is the ranges is between $14.50 and $22.25. So a $7 to $8 range from 14.5 to 22.25. This is the base case. I'll present these forecasts in a tabular format for both the base case, bull case, and the bear case at the end of this video. The bull case that we like to call is a theoretical ceiling in case the bull rally has more leg to it and has more in store from the bullish perspective, which are one standard deviation moves to the upside. We like to cover what the theoretical ceiling would be in each of the cases. We like our AI model to have that wiggle room. So in an extreme bullish environment like we are in right now, for the AI model, for this week it was coming, the ceiling price was at almost $19. For next week is at $20.50. For the last week of November, ending in November 26, is at a weekly average at $22. The first week of December at $24, second week of December at $25, third week of December at $28. And this can also be understood as where are the most resistances likely to halt the rally and have a good zone where the price action is most overheated. So for the fourth week of December, ending December 24th, per our AI model, in a bull case during the month of December, this is where our model has forecasted a peak December 24th, week ending December 24th at around $40, and that level is kind of important because this is where AVAX found its local high in the first half of the bull run of 2021. So if we see AVAX around $40 during the end of year 2023, this could signal a bullish catalyst for what is in store for 2024 and 2025, potentially up one year after halving, where most of the altcoins rally. So do keep this level in mind, and also we would most likely make an update for AVAX sometime in the next 2 to 3 months. So if you would like to be updated with the recent performance of our AI model, please do subscribe to the channel. We also do the performance evaluation of our findings. For the last week of December, per the AI model, the valuation is at a weekly average forecasted at $37.50. The first week of January, $34. The first week of January at $33.50, and the last week at $33.85. That's the valuation for the next 10 weeks. The bear case that we like to call is what are the moves one standard deviation to the downside, and what if the current rally is halted by a one standard deviation move to the downside? Where is the theoretical floor where some support is expected if there is a downturn in our rallies? For the next week, the support is at $11.74. For the third week, for the last week of November, is at $11.75. First week of December, the floor at 13 cents. The second week at $12, $13, and then $12, not cents. In third week of December, the floor is at $14. The fourth week of December at $19. The last week of December at $17.75. The first week of January at $14.65, and the last week or the middle of January, the 10th week from now, is at $15.59. So I'll briefly summarize the three cases. The first was the base case between $14.50 and $22.25. So that's the range. The second case is between almost $20 if we consider next week. $20 and $40 is the range for the bull case. and the bear case is between $11 and $20. So just I will present the tabular view where you can see the base case, the bear case, and the bull case. And if you like to focus on weekly progression, you can pause this video and have peruse through the AI based findings. So hope you like this content, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and also check out the other AI based forecasts that I've added in the video description, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.